this is the monthly watch club box. We started this last month. It's $57, and you were supposed to get a watch that is between $50 and $150. So they screwed up and did not send it out on time. And Miranda sent them an email asking them about it, and they said it didn't export and apologize, and we're supposed to send 2 watches, but they sent 1. So let's see what we got. Simplify. I've never heard of Simplify. Certificate of authenticity. Certifies that this is an authentic, simplified timepiece. High quality parts, uncompromised workmanship. Another card in here. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. So, leather band. Simple black face. Let's see. I like it. It's really light. Normally, most of the watches I get are pretty heavy. This one's extremely light and doesn't weigh a whole lot of nothing. And the watch band is a little bit small. Wonder if we can request a bigger watch band. We'll have to ask. I think I can get the very first hole. It's leather, it'll stretch. But what do you think? It's really light. You can hardly tell it's there. I like it. Just gotta set the time.
Do you think that it was worth the $57?
I don't know. It feels like a $20 watch from Walmart, really. That's what it feels like.
So
if they sent 2 of them, we'll see what the other one's like, and we'll let you know.
All right. So, but if they don't, then are you gonna get it again? Or I put it on an every 2 month just in case. So you'll have a little bit of time to decide whether you like it or not.
We'll see if they honor what they said and send 2 of them.
Okay. Yeah, it looked like a nice box, and then, yeah, it does look like you could. It's not as nice as your other watches that you have.
Yeah. We'll do some research, see what it's actually worth.
It did not. Anything. Yeah, it did not have any.
It didn't have any kind of price range or anything with it. I was kind of surprised.
There was no reviews on Cratejoy or anything for this for me to go by. So I'm gonna pause the video real quick and let you look up a Simplify watch, and then we'll come back and let you know, unless you found it. Did you find it already?
Yeah. Let's see.
Turned off.
So we did a little looking on eBay and the internet. So the Simplify website sells this watch for $300. Let's see if I can pull those up real quick here. So this is the 4202. They got it listed at retail for $300. So if we switch over to Walmart, has the exact same watch, $167. I wasn't able to find the exact watch on eBay. I found one very similar, a couple of them, and they're about $25 on eBay. So I've seen a couple a little bit higher. I've seen one for 60, one for 30, one for 111. They're a little bit different, but I can't find this exact one on eBay. So I mean, if it sells retail for $167, I guess $50 ain't bad. Let's say I've never heard of Simplify before, but it's awful light. It doesn't feel like there's a whole lot of, I don't know how to explain it. But we'll see how it holds up. We'll let you know here in a couple of weeks how it does. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. See you next time.